smartphone camera, action camera, GoPro camera, DSLR, mirrorless camera. Camcorder?
Camcorder.
Well, I've decided I might start using a camcorder to just record little clips, little vignettes, little moments, little thoughts, brief little glimpses into the other side. Okay, what are we doing, Andy?
We are cleaning Joe's office.
You know, there's a rumor that you're the dusting fairy.
No, I just help out now and then.
Oh, there's some other fairy that actually... You're like subcontracted. The dusting fairy is subcontracted to you.
I don't get paid. I'm volunteer work.
It's like it's slavery, but they call it volunteer work.
They call it volunteer work now. Yeah, because you can't have slaves.
No, you're not allowed to.
Volunteers.
Volunteers aren't paid. That's pretty typical.